3 ads, 1 product, not 1 camera. Yeah, I know how that sounds. But I made all 3 of these this afternoon, start to finish, without filming a single second. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how I pulled it off with TopView Canvas, what it actually costs. But before we get into it, TopView gave me free access to make this video, and yes, there's an affiliate link down in the description. That doesn't change a word of what I'm about to tell you, good or bad. So here's the actual question. Is there a way to plan all of this out in one place instead of bouncing between 5 different tabs? Turns out, yeah, that's exactly what TopView Canvas is built to do. TopView Canvas works differently. It's a visual workspace with an AI video agent inside. The agent can plan and build your whole video project, and you can still edit every step yourself. And it now runs Seedance 2.5, a new model that generates a full 30-second video in one single shot. Let's test it with a real product. This bottle. Okay, here's my setup. I upload a few photos of the bottle, and I give the agent a simple brief with the key facts. Hydrosteel 24, capacity, keeps drinks cold for 24 hours, brushed stainless steel, and one clear story: someone's water is warm and stale by midday. They switch to this, and hours later it's still ice cold. Problem solved. One more thing, I ask it to end with a clear buy recommendation, a call to action like every UGC ad you see on TikTok. Now, watch what happens. The agent starts planning right away. It breaks the idea into scenes. It picks a hook, an avatar, a visual style, and the key selling points. Look, it even built a story around that warm water moment. The frustration, the switch, the relief. Everything shows up on the canvas as separate blocks. If I don't like something, I click it and change it. No restarting. Now it's generating the storyboard frames. Every scene gets its own image. The avatar stays the same. The bottle stays the same. That's because Seedance 2.5 can use up to 50 reference assets, so it keeps everything consistent shot to shot. With most tools, the product changes shape between clips, the bottle gets taller, the lid morphs. Here, the bottle looks like the bottle in every single frame. Time for the fun part. Let's generate the actual video. I'm using Seedance 2.5, and the headline feature is native 30-second single-shot video. Most models give you 15-second clips, then you stitch them together and hope the cuts don't look weird. Here, the whole scene is one continuous shot. So let's see it. Honestly, better than I expected. The motion is smooth. That warm water frustration lands. The bottle looks premium, the steel catches the light, and the lid twist looks natural. And it ends with a clean buy call to action, just like a real TikTok ad. But I want to change one thing: the last scene. I'd like it from a different angle. And that brings me to my favorite feature. Normally, you'd regenerate the whole clip for that. More waiting, more credits, more surprises. In Canvas, there's a function called Clip Edit. I select only the last scene, and I tell it what I want: show this moment from a different angle. The rest of the clip stays exactly the same. And done. Same avatar, same lighting, same bottle, just a new angle on the ending. This saves time, and a lot of credits too. Now, here's where a canvas really pays off. If you sell products or run ads, one video is never enough, you need options. So this time I keep it simple. I attach 2 things: my finished clip and the product photo, and I ask for 3 new UGG clips with different avatars and different scenes. That's it. I let the agent come up with the ideas. And it just does it. 3 new clips show up on the same canvas, right next to the first one. Same bottle, same energy, 3 scenes I hadn't even thought of. The normal way filming and editing this takes days. Here, it's one afternoon. That's the difference between a tool and a workflow. Once I'm happy with the clips, I open the timeline. I preview the full video, check the scene order, make a few small tweaks, then export. But here's the smartest part. I can save this entire workflow as a skill. Next month, when I've got a new product, I don't start from zero. I load the skill, drop in the new product photos, and the whole system runs again. That's a real machine for anyone making content at scale. Okay, real talk, what do I actually think? 3 things I like. First, the agent's plan is easy to see and easy to edit. Second, the 30-second single shots with a product that stays consistent, that fixes the biggest problem with AI video. And third, Clip Edit fixing one scene instead of remaking the whole thing. Just smarter. What could be better? Longer videos still take time, and at busy hours it can be slow. And you still have to check every clip yourself. AI video isn't magic, you're the director, the agent's your crew. But as a full workflow, this is the most organized AI video setup I've used so far. If you want to try TopView Canvas yourself, my link's the first one in the description. And one quick note, if you go for the Ultra Annual plan, you get 60 days of unlimited Seedance 2.5 generation, so you can test the heavy stuff without counting credits. That's it for today. If this video helped you, subscribe for more AI tool tests and tell me in the comments what product I should run through this workflow next. Thanks for watching.